Makakauwi na ako sa may bago kong bahay. Salamat naman, makakauwi na ako. Saan kaya dito? Ay, ito yata. Support natin dito yung kotse natin. Kunin na natin yung gamit natin. A minute na, I'm vlogging.
Your mom told me that you like playing sports, you like being active, and this should make everything you want to do.
Nakuha ko na. Uwi muna ako sa may bahay. Salamat naman, nakauwi na ako. Ang tagal yung bahay. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Here's a piece of wood, see if you can grab it. There you go. Is that not freaking crazy?
Lagay ko na muna dito yung ano ko. Ay.
There we go. Look at that. And then obviously, if you ever don't want the piece printing, you can just pop it off. You don't have to have this on.
Siguro mag-grocery muna tayo. Kung grocery muna tayo, magsuklay muna tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung CR. Bago lang kasi ako dito. Ito na pala. Ay, nako.
Dragon Ball si tsaka sa ano? Doraemon? Grabe yun. Magaling na pala.
Did he peel off into the ocean? Yeah, he doesn't need road. That's cheating. For this to be a true test, we have to obey all traffic laws. We have to stop at a stop sign.
Tignan mo yung nangyari sa
With
ano.
a flying car. You can just take a straight
Nag-explode.
which is why
Ano ba tayo?
I thought about the future. Flying cars have always been at the forefront. Oh wait, I can see
I
you.
know.
Wait, you might already be over halfway. Just started. We gotta hurry. Imagine how much time you could save every
Technology
single
din
day.
yun.
Tapos na ako mansuklay.
It's only 1,000 hours a year.
Oh.
A year? I
Saan naglalag yung game?
$1,000 flying cars.
Siguro tara na.
$1 billion rocket ship will be
Tara na.
This is just the beginning. This thing got here so fast. Come on.
Patayin muna natin wala ilaw. Masaya yung kulit.
Jimmy, I think your code is really annoying. Yeah, well, luckily, I never said I would
Yun yan, nalalag kasi yung game ko eh. Tara na.
actually run over someone. Oh, there it is! How long have you been here? 10 minutes? You've been here for 10 minutes? Absolutely. Oh my god! I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to drive one of these one day. And if you're not excited to the future yet,
So, kung minuto lang naman.
Tara na.
for the price of $500,000.
Ow.
GTA yan ah.
Pero hero ka na yan.
It's easily the fastest way to get to work.